Hi, folks. You know what? If you have birds, pet birds, in a cage, you must clean the cage also once in a week. You know why? Because the dirt can make them sick. So we should clean it. And also, the benefit for cleaning is that their manure, you can make it as fertilizer for your plants in the garden. When you clean, use gloves if you have, especially if you just wipe it and not clean it with soap and water. What I used here are wet wipes. Wet wipes has antibacterial effect, so it can disinfect at the same time clean the cage well. So here we clean the cage, and also here, when the birds eat their food, the seeds, they scatter the cover of the seeds, the peelings. So that's what we should clean, not only their feces, their manure, but also the peelings of their food, of the seeds. Cleaning the cage is not that easy. It took me 30 minutes to clean this. Well, anyway, they they did not panic because I feed them with bare hands every day, so they're familiar with me. And I cleaned the tray as well. I think I need a soap and water for this next time. The feces are so hard, so difficult to remove. See here? After that, I lined it with a clean bond paper, so it will be looking neat and clean. As you know that my husband is also raising chicken or fighting cocks, as you've seen in my other videos. So I'm familiar with birds. However, my husband, you know, he has also a big cage for his chicken, for his roosters, his birds, and he cleaned it every day. I also changed their water. I put mineral water to be safe. The cages must be cleaned to prevent them from getting sick, so they'll be healthy. After cleaning, I feed them using my bare hands. This is my form of relaxation. I feel relaxed, chilled, and they really give me that peace of mind and calmness. Mindy and Spencer love to chirp, and I also like hearing their, sweet melodic voice, and they keep on chirping all day. The thing is, sometimes they chirp so loudly, they want to catch the attention of other birds so that the other birds will fly near their cage. They like company so much, and they like watching them even though they're inside a cage. They are so precious. They are full of value, especially to the bird owners. Such a treasure to behold. These birds are priceless because we give value to them. The bird lovers give them raw value and we treasure them so much. Thank you for sharing your life to us. Lovebirds, please live a long life and be with us and share with us your long, beautiful life together. Thank you. Lovebirds, Indy and Spencer.